Hey, so it's Wednesday, and my little sister's watching me as I film this. Yeah, we kind of got a snowfall, didn't we, Brie? Didn't we get a snowfall? Yeah, see? Oh, you can't even see you. You're too far away. My camera doesn't pick you up. Yeah, look at all of the snow. Look at it. Proof of the purchase right there. We literally got home. We can attest to this. And the driveway was like literally a foot. Would you say it was a foot? Yeah. It was like a foot of snow, and we had to shovel it off. And now look at the beautiful driveway, shoveled off by us. What are we gonna call our company? Shoveling company. Gaia and Co. There we go. Gaia and Co. Does that sound good? Yeah. So I look like I have major dandruff right now. Can you please go inside and stop watching me? I feel self-conscious. Stop it! Go away! She won't go away. What? I said stop looking at me! So I have to trek all the way out here in the back of my yard so that she doesn't see me. Yeah. Look at my backyard. Look at all this snow. Yeah, it's snowing and my hair looks like I got major dandruff. Yeah, so oof. Brie! Go inside! I'm gonna keep going. But yeah. Wait. Microphones. Look at this. Look at the waves of the snow. Can you see that? Can you see that? Yeah, ooh. Okay, so there weren't any questions here today. So I figured I'd just do a little vloggy vlog about life. Yeah, vloggy vlog. We got a snowstorm today, and we didn't even get a snow day. My Nordic skiing practice got canceled, but we didn't get a snow day. We canceled all the sports for indoor track, and we didn't get a snow day. Pray! My little sister won't go inside. Stop. I have to do this for a thing. I have boogers? Do I really have boogers? Oh no! Really? I have boogers. Is it really that noticeable? Okay, so we're gonna go inside now because it's cold, isn't it, Brie? Ah! Freezing cold, and she just tried to push me into the snow. Meanie! That's my little sister for you. Isn't she cute? That's one of them. The other one's a total bitch. Yeah, okay, so that was pretty much. I don't really have anything to talk about. Like I don't know what to talk about. When there's no questions, I don't know what to talk about. Yeah, so I have a boyfriend now. I think I went over this last week. But I like this. I just want to make sure my sister's gone. Okay. So, hey look, there goes the plow. I like this girl more than I like my boyfriend, and she was hinting that she would go out with me when she breaks up with her boyfriend, and so I'm kind of like, so torn up about it. Like, my boyfriend is so awesome. Like, I love him. He's so cool and awesomeness, and I can't feel my toes. Yeah, so I don't know what to do. So I could go into details, but I don't want to do a long video because it's cold out here, and I haven't come out to my parents, so it's not like I can be inside filming this. Not like anyone is home, obviously, because the driveway is like. So off I go inside because I'm freezing. Bye.